Hi, I am Aliza Tanveer from Skill Curve, and in this video we will have a look at a data modeling tool called dbdiagram.io. We will see how to export a data model as a PDF and how to convert the diagram into SQL code. Let's start creating our relational model first. For that, go to the link dbdiagram.io and then click Create Your Diagram to create a new diagram workspace. You will see that the workspace is divided into two parts. On the left part, we define the table structure with simple syntax, and its corresponding diagram will be generated and will show up on the right side. First, we will write the code to create pets table. The table keyword is used to declare a table and uses the as keyword to set a short alias name for it. The pk keyword is used to define that the field is primary key, and for all the string types you use the varchar data type. And once you write the code, you will see that the corresponding diagram will be generated on the right part of the workspace. In the same way, we will create another table called the owners table having owner ID, name, surname, street address, state, full form of state and zip code. But one thing is to notice that the owner ID in the owners table is also referenced in the pets table as of owner ID. So we are going to refer it as a foreign key in pets by providing it reference by using the alias of the owners table, which is B. Similarly, we can create another table called procedure details having procedure type, subcode, description and price. Similarly, we will create another table called procedure history which will refer to two different table pets and procedure details because it contains foreign keys for the pets table and the procedure details table. Now let's move towards the diagram part. You can rearrange the diagram in the way you want, and upon hovering over the diagrams you will see the cardinalities between different classes which shows how many objects of one class are related to how many objects of other class. Now you can use the export tool at the top to save the diagram as a PDF or a PNG file or generate SQL code for different type of diagrams. But I am going to first export it as PDF. After clicking on export to PDF, your diagram will be downloaded as a PDF file, and upon opening you will see first page will have the simple diagram and other page will have the diagram showing the cardinalities between the classes. Let's go back to dbdiagram.io, and this time I am going to export the diagram into a SQL code, and for that I am going to select the option Export to SQL Server from the Export drop down menu. Upon selecting the option, a SQL file will be downloaded. Open it and you will see that it contains the code that corresponds to the diagram present in the dbdiagram.io. And this is how you can use the dbdiagram.io tool to model relational models using a simple structure and then exporting it as a PDF file or generating the SQL Server code using the diagram. Thank you.